Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I am finally showing you guys how I do my eyebrow routine. Also, this is inspired by the recent eyebrow trend that's been going on, which is the laminated eyebrow trend. I any which ways like the look of fuller eyebrows, fuller fluffy eyebrows. So I am glad that this trend has been going on. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this natural yet fluffy yet defined eyebrow look. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before I start this video, I'm going to show you guys what are my favorite eyebrow products that I use and absolutely recommend you guys to check it out. So let's start with eyebrow pencil. Currently I'm using this eyebrow pencil. This is by Kathy Doll. If you saw my Koh Samui haul, you guys might have seen me reviewing this bad boy in that video. I bought this from Thailand because currently I've used up all of my eyebrow products and this is the only one that I have left. So that's the reason why I'm showing you this one. But another eyebrow product that I absolutely love is the LA Girl eyebrow pencil. It also looks something like this. The other product that I absolutely love is this one, which is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is a travel size and I've used this one up as well. Like, as you guys can tell, I guess I can still use it like once or twice maybe. But yeah, like, yeah, it's almost it's done, you guys. So I'm very sad that I don't have any eyebrow product left. I did place an order on Nykaa, but then it got stuck because of this whole lockdown. So I'm really waiting everything to get back to normal so I can receive my package and I can start using my eyebrow product. But yeah, I did place an order for the LA Girl one. I know there are a lot of different types of eyebrow products that you get in the market. You get ones that have really ultra fine tip, then there are other ones that have those triangular shape, just like the Benefit Goof Proof. So those kind of eyebrow pencils I don't mind, but for someone like me who's got like bald spots in their eyebrows, I really need something that has a lot of precision, something like this one. If you guys can tell, the tip is very fine, so it really helps you to draw hair-like strokes in your hair that looks natural. That's the kind of eyebrow pencils that I usually gravitate towards. Next I'm going to be talking about eyebrow pomade, and my absolute favorite eyebrow pomade is this one right here, which is by L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Brow Artist Brow Pomade in the shade Brunette. I really like this one because I like the tone on this. It's very neutral. Here's a swatch of the product. To be honest, you guys, I don't really use a lot of eyebrow pomades on a daily basis because I feel for regular use, eyebrow pomade can look a little too heavy and unnatural. But in case if I'm going for a really dramatic look where I want my eyebrows to look snatched, then definitely the L'Oreal eyebrow pomade is what I really like. It's neutral tone and it doesn't look too warm or too reddish. I usually like my eyebrow products to be on the neutral tone because I don't really have like warmer colors like say redheads do, and I feel like it doesn't look natural when you're working with product that has too of a warm undertone in it. So that's why I refrain from using an eyebrow product that has any kind of warm undertones in it. Moving on to my favorite eyebrow setters, I have a few, and there's one gem that I've been using for more than a year and I absolutely swear by it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be talking about. So first I have this guy right here, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in the shade Medium Brown. This is also used up product. I'm sure you can tell by the packaging of it. It's been used and loved, and how I absolutely love this one when I'm in a rush because it has a color to it and it also has a very tiny brush, so it really helps you to fill in those gaps and just set your brows in place. Sometimes whenever I'm in a rush, I just like to use this bad boy on my eyebrows and call it a day. This is a nice eyebrow gel in case if you're looking for something that gives you a little bit of color but also holds your brows in place. I wouldn't say that this has the most strongest hold, but yeah, it does the job. Obviously this is a little bit more expensive than the normal eyebrow gels that you get in the market, but this is something that I've used and I can stand by and highly recommend you guys because I've used it and I'm sure you can tell by the packaging of it, it's been used and loved. So yeah, this is the one. So the other one that I've been absolutely loving to set my eyebrows is this one right here. This is the Kiss Me Heavy Rotation Coloring Eyebrow gel. As you guys can tell, this is a transparent gel, and this is something that is very affordable as well. I got this from Flipkart, and I really like the fact that, you know, it's transparent in color and it doesn't really add a lot of color to your eyebrows. It just simply sets them in place. So in case if you're someone who already are blessed with fuller eyebrows and just need something to tame your eyebrows and keep your eyebrows in place, then I would suggest this one. Although the brush on this one is a little thick, so I don't really enjoy the brush on this one, but the formula is amazing. So it does hold your eyebrows in place, so I really like that. And the fact that it was so affordable, it is truly amazing. Last but definitely not the least, this is the product that I cannot live without. In case if you are someone who loves those fluffy eyebrows, those laminated eyebrow look that's very in vogue right now, then this is the one that you need to go for. This is the Kiko Milano False Lash Building Base Mascara. I'm sure by the look of it you guys can tell how much I absolutely love this product. This is a mascara base that you use on your lashes before you apply your mascara, so that, you know, it looks a little bit more fuller and, you know, holds the curl. I was looking for a mascara base since a very long time, and that's when I stumbled upon this one. So I bought this one hoping that, you know, it would help me with my eyelashes, because I have poker straight lashes, and no matter what mascara I use, my eyebrows will go down and won't hold its curl whatsoever. So I was really rooting for this mascara base, but sadly it didn't work for my eyebrows. So one day randomly when I was doing my eyebrows, I decided this product is just lying there, it doesn't really work for my lashes, so might as well just use it for my eyebrows and see how it works. And ever since then I've been hooked onto this product, and I've been using this product for my eyebrows to set my eyebrows in place. And out of all the eyebrow setters that I've mentioned in today's video, this is the one that has the strongest hold and would literally hold your eyebrows in place till the time you decide to wash it off. So that's how strong the hold on this base is. I really like this one for my eyebrows, and I would highly recommend this one in case if you are into those, you know, laminated brows. In fact, this is what I have on my eyebrows right now to set them in place, and I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of it. You can't tell me that my eyebrows, they don't look nice and fluffy, and it's all thanks to this bad boy right here. I'm not sure how much this retails for, but yeah, this one is absolutely amazing. If there's anything out of this video that I would recommend you guys to go out and buy, is this one. This has truly changed my eyebrow game. And how? So those were all the products that I wanted to show you guys that I use on an everyday basis. So now that's out of the way, let me just move on to the demo. So I always like to start by brushing my hair upwards, and as you guys can tell, I've got some bald patches on my eyebrows where hair refuses to grow. So I always like to start with the bottom section first. I leave the front section of my eyebrows untouched. I don't like applying any eyebrow product there. I like to use short hair-like strokes to draw the line, I'm sure you guys can tell, and I also like to extend my tail. Then I like to brush my eyebrow hair downwards and then draw the arch of my brow. I follow the natural arch, so I'm connecting the upper line with the tail that we just created, and now it's time to fill in the eyebrows. So to fill in my eyebrows, I like to follow the direction that my eyebrow hair naturally grows. So for the tail, it's pointing downwards, so the hair-like strokes will be pointing downwards. I also like to use my spoolie to blend in the product more with my eyebrows, so it doesn't look as harsh. And then when it comes to the front part of my eyebrows, as you guys can tell, the hair is growing in upwards direction. So I'm changing the way that I'm drawing the hair strokes. Using a spoolie to blend the product in. And there you go. There's one eyebrow look complete. Look how natural it looks. I'm sure you can tell the difference. This eyebrow looks filled in, but it doesn't look too harsh. Compared to this eyebrow, you see bald patches over here as well. So I'm gonna be doing the same on the other eye, and I'm gonna be demonstrating it one more time to you guys. So I like to first brush my hair upwards and start with the bottom section first. I always like to hold my brush at the end because that way I make sure that, you know, I'm not applying too much pressure on the product. I don't start drawing my line all the way in. I just start from here. Then I draw like very small strokes following the natural arch of my brow. Yeah, extending my tail also a little bit, like so. Then I like to brush my eyebrow hair downwards, and then I like to fill this area in. Again, I'm following the same motion, which is short strokes, and following the natural arch of my eyebrow. I'm not trying to make a new arch altogether. And then I'm going to be connecting the upper line to the lower tail that we just created. Okay, so right now it looks a little too harsh, but we're going to blend it out. I like to use my spoolie and then blend out the product into my eyebrows. And then to fill the product in, I like to follow the natural direction of the eyebrows that grows. For example, this eyebrow is growing downwards. That's how I'm going to be filling in the strokes. So when we come to the center of the eyebrows, the hair grows in this direction. So I'm going to be drawing the hair-like strokes in that direction only. And then at the front, I'm going to be flickering it upwards, leaving front part untouched. Then using a spoolie, I'm just going to brush it out so that it doesn't look as harsh. So there you go. This is how I like to do my eyebrows on a daily basis. I'm going to be using this primer by Kiko to set my eyebrows in place. So what I like to do is just push the hair upwards and then set the tail. Okay, so this is what my eyebrows looks like once it's all nice and set. So once I set my eyebrows, there are some bald patches that I might have missed while filling in my eyebrows earlier. So what I like to do is use the same eyebrow pencil, and then I like to fill in the area, and same on the other side as well. So this is how I like to do my eyebrows. So that's the eyebrow look, you guys. And also I don't like using concealer to clean up my eyebrows because I feel like it defeats the whole purpose of eyebrows looking more natural. And since I use an eyebrow product that has a very fine tip, the chances of me messing up is very minor, simply because how fine the tip is. If I were to use a pencil that has like a fatter tip, then probably I would clean up ever so slightly. Okay, so I accidentally deleted the clip, so that's the reason why I'm doing a voiceover here. So yeah, I don't clean up underneath my eyebrows, but in case if I'm working with pomades, then I do go in with a little bit of concealer to clean. And there you go, that's my brow routine, and I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. In case if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also share it with your friends and family. And with that, you guys, I'm gonna take leave, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.